Hey everybody, I'm here to introduce to you the pack of Piranha puppies. As you can see, they're always got their teeth on something. Let's start off with Paws. This is Paws. These are all rescue pugs. This one is Paws. I think she was like the one in the middle. There's 5 of them. And then this one's a male. There was 3 male and 2 female, or 3 females and 2 males. This one is Joker. Here's Joker. This one is Diamond, because he has a little diamond on the front. Their teeth are still razor sharp. Come here. Come on, babies. Come on. This one is Batman, because he's got a little bat on his back. Here's little Batman. Here's the baby we call Flash, because she's the fastest to do everything. Come here, Flash. Come here. And here's the mama, Peggy. Come here, Flash. Come here, Flash. This is Flash. As you can see, she's the baby. Now, we're always playing and wanting to eat things. So, oh, they're always chewing on me. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, come on, girls. It's time to get going. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Can't put on there. Here we go. Come on. It's a tug of war. Tug of war. Everybody, tug of war. You can hear them rumbling as they pull. This is Lilu. Oh, Lilu. Okay. Look at those little faces. Look at those little faces. Here we go. Let's try it again. Lilu, be quiet this time. There we go.